Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? It's Sunday. I'm just out here messing around and I noticed we have a killdeer bird right in the center of our driveway, and I figure I would record him a little bit, let y'all see what they do when you walk up on their nest. So let's take a walk down here in the driveway and check him out. Check her out, not him. He was down there earlier distracting me, and it's funny, he's trying to get me to chase him. So let's go check him out and see what happens. Oh, I heard her. There she is. Sun in a bad spot. Where are you, baby? She's even hard to see. There she is. She ain't liking me too much. What, Mama? What's wrong, Mama? I'm not gonna bother your eggs. I just want to look at them. I know. I'm not gonna hurt them. I'm not gonna hurt them. Where'd you go? There you are. Let me look. Let me look. She's telling me like it is. Get away from my nest. You gonna get me? I'm not gonna hurt your eggs. I just want to look at them. I want the people to see them. Yeah. Biddy, leave her alone. Here's the eggs, if I can find them. There they are. 4 big eggs. Let me go away so she can get back to them. Come on, Mama. Come on, Biddy. A little bit. Get over here a little bit. A little bit. Get in the yard. Go. Go. Bad girl. Trying to get me to chase her to get away from her eggs. Go to the house now. Go. Just leave Mama alone. Go. She's not too happy. But that person that named that bird must have been high. Killdeer. I don't think a bird could kill a deer. Come on, Mama. Funny how they'll get you to chase them. To protect their eggs. It's gonna chase me, get away from my eggs. Probably get me out here and attack me. Oh well, I'm gonna go and leave her alone. I figure I'd share that with y'all. Back that off. So I never knew that was called a killdeer bird. So we trying not to run over eggs. We've been bypassing her. So y'all have a great Sunday, and we'll catch y'all later.